In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get IBAN number on Wise. If you've ever needed to receive money in a European bank style format, an IBAN or international bank account number is what many banks and services ask for. Wise makes this straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find your IBAN without any confusion. Start by opening the Wise app experience in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your balances. Once you're in, navigate through the main screens. Swipe right to open the navigation panel and look for the plus icon. This plus button is your shortcut to creating new balances and getting the account details that come with them. If you're on a computer and don't see a swipe option, look for the same plus icon in the balances or accounts area. The idea is the same. Tap the plus icon and choose Add Currency. This will bring up a list of currencies you can add. Each currency represents its own balance inside Wise, and some currencies come with local account details. For currencies that use IBANs, like euros, opening that balance is how you get your IBAN. You don't need to move money yet, you're simply setting up the balance so Wise can generate those details. Select the currency you want to add. If your goal is specifically an IBAN, choose a currency that provides it, such as EUR. Wise will create that balance for you in a moment. If you receive any prompts or brief confirmations, just continue. These are normal and help. Wise set up the account details behind the scenes. Now go back to your homepage or main balances view. You'll see the currency you just added listed alongside your other balances. Open that balance and look for its account details. For currencies that support it, you'll see an IBAN displayed there. That's the number you can share with payers who need to send you money via bank transfer in regions that use IBANs. You may also see related details like the account holder and a bank identifier depending on the currency. A quick tip, copy the IBAN exactly as shown to avoid failed transfers and only share it with trusted senders. If you don't see an IBAN for a particular currency, it may not be supported for that balance type in your region. In that case, double check the currency you added or consult Wise's help resources for availability, and that's it. You opened Wise in your browser, used the plus icon to add a currency, selected the one you need, and then returned to the home page to view the IBAN that comes with that new balance.